Lisbon, the city of 7 hills and unforgettable experiences, ready to travel through one of Europe's oldest and most fascinating capitals. In the next few minutes, we'll take you to the most impressive sights this vibrant city has to offer. Stay tuned, because at the end you'll find out how you can experience this adventure for yourself. Our first stop is the magnificent Torre de Belém. This impressive tower is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and dates back to the 16th century. The tower was built to defend the city on the banks of the Tagus. It is a prime example of Manueline architecture, which impresses with its elaborate stone carvings. The Torre de Belém was once a lighthouse and a prison. From the viewing platform, you have a fantastic view of the Tagus and the city. Inside, you will find interesting exhibits about the Portuguese voyages of discovery. Stay tuned, we have many more fascinating places in Lisbon for you. Next stop, the majestic Jerónimos Monastery, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. The monastery was built in 1501 and symbolizes the wealth of Portugal at the time of the voyages of discovery. It is a masterpiece of Manueline architecture with detailed decorations and intricate stonework. The tombs of Vasco da Gama and the famous poet Luis de Camões are located here. The Church of Santa Maria inside the monastery is famous for its impressive vaulted ceiling. The cloister invites you to linger and reflect, a real jewel of architecture. Stay tuned, Lisbon has even more treasures to offer. We continue to the charming Alfama district, the oldest neighborhood in Lisbon. The narrow, winding alleyways exude an authentic historic charm. Here you can experience the traditional sounds of fado, which reflect the Portuguese lifestyle. The Miradouro de Santa Lúcia viewpoint offers you a wonderful view of the city and the river. The Alfama is known for its colorful festas, especially during the Festa de Santo Antonio in June. Don't forget to explore the small local markets and typical Portuguese cafes. Stay tuned, there are more highlights waiting for you. Our next stop is the majestic Praça do Comércio, the heart of Lisbon. This square used to be the entrance to the city for travelers arriving by boat. Today, the magnificent buildings around the square house ministries and elegant restaurants. In the center of the square stands the statue of King José Pumar, which forms a central point. The square leads directly to the magnificent Rua Augusta, a popular shopping street. The triumphal arch on the square is a landmark and offers a fantastic view over the city. Continue to the Castelo de São Jorge, one of Lisbon's most striking landmarks. This castle towers majestically over the city and offers outstanding views. The history of the castello dates back to the 11th century. Inside the walls, you will find interesting archaeological finds. Stroll through the old battlements and enjoy the breathtaking view. The gardens of the castle are a peaceful place, ideal for a short break from sightseeing. Stay tuned. Lisbon still has many treasures to offer. Our next highlight is the Elevador de Santa Justa, a unique lift in the middle of the city. This lift was built in 1902 and is an architectural marvel. It connects the lower parts of the city with the higher Bairro Alto. The structure is made of iron and is reminiscent of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. From the viewing platform, you have a fantastic panoramic view of Lisbon. The lift is a popular photo opportunity and a must-see for every visitor. Stay tuned, the journey is not over yet. We make a stop at the Oceanário de Lisboa, one of the largest aquariums in the world. The aquarium was opened in 1998 and is one of the most modern in the world. It is home to over 450 different species from the world's oceans. The central attraction is a huge tank that displays a variety of marine life. In addition to the exhibitions, there are interactive areas and educational programs. The Oceanário is an exciting place for the whole family and offers lots of interesting facts about marine conservation. Stay tuned, we have a few more highlights. Our penultimate stop is the LX Factory, a creative center in old factory buildings. This place is a hotspot for art, culture, and gastronomy. You will find trendy cafes, restaurants, and shops in the renovated factory halls. The LX Factory is known for its cool graffiti and urban art installations. Events, exhibitions, and markets are regularly held here. A perfect place to experience the creative side of Lisbon. Stay tuned. The finale awaits you. Finally, we marvel at the Ponte 25 de Abril, one of the most striking bridges in Europe. This suspension bridge stretches majestically across the Tagus and connects Lisbon with Almada. It is strongly reminiscent of the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. The bridge was opened in 1966 and is a technical masterpiece. Its span of 2,277 meters makes it the longest suspension bridge in Europe. It offers spectacular views of the river and the city, and is an absolute must-see. Lisbon is a city full of stories, culture, and impressive sights. If you would like to experience this wonderful city for yourself, you will find the link to book your trip in the video description. Want to experience more cities virtually? Check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a city break again.